In this short video, we'll walk through a practical workflow with Captain Optimus Strong V2, adding indicators to the system, combining trend signals, and running a backtest to evaluate the initial results. In this example, I'll use two indicators as trend filter conditions: easy trend and crossover. The idea is very simple. Instead of relying on a single standalone signal, we'll require both indicators to confirm the same trend direction. When easy trend and crossover both give a bullish signal, the system will consider buy setups. On the other hand, when both indicators confirm a bearish direction, the system will consider sell setups. Now, let's open Captain Optimus Strong V2. First, go to the indicator condition settings. Here, we'll add easy trend to the condition list and select the appropriate trend signal to use as a filter. Next, we'll add May crossover. Similarly, we'll select the crossover signal or trend direction that matches the logic we want to test. The key point here is the overlap signal logic. A signal is only considered valid when easy trend and crossover both agree on the same direction. This type of combination can help the system filter out some market noise, especially during unclear trend conditions or ranging markets. Once the conditions are set, we'll move on to the backtest. In this example, I'll run a backtest on the most recent 50 days. The goal is not to deeply optimize every parameter, but to quickly check whether the easy trend and crossover condition set, when combined with the order management engine of Captain Optimus Strong V2, can produce results worth reviewing. After we have the initial backtest results, let's take a look at how Captain Optimus Strong V2 operates directly on the chart. I'll run a short playback so you can see how the system reads signals from easy trend and crossover, then processes the entry conditions based on the logic we configured.
Order filled. Target filled. Stop filled. Order filled. Target filled. Stop filled.
The important point here is not only whether a signal appears, but how Captain Optimus Strong V2 checks the conditions, activates the setup, and manages the trade through a consistent process. Okay, now let's continue with the other upgrades in Captain Optimus Strong V2.